How to log out of the Binance app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of the Binance app. Whether you are switching accounts or ensuring security, just follow these simple steps to log out properly. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And once the profile page opens, simply tap on your profile picture in the top left section, and this will take you to the new page. From here, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom right corner and tap on Logout option. And once you tap on that, you have successfully logged out of the Binance app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.